kati nze kyemubbirako making sure nti empapula ze za revenue bagenda mulondoola kagere paka, so ayina okumakinga sure kamubuulira ekyo for the times ze bali nange, so kamubuulira ekyo bagenda tandika okulondoola business yo, so making sure nti oli mu check bulungi. Ebyo njagala nkugambe
anekirala mbadde
sinze, so bw'olaba nti otandise okufuna obuzibuzibu sibiriimu. Remember, some of us have funds. Mulimu abantu abamu nga muna they are going through the same situation or even worse. Naye okimanyi nti ndigenda mu ggulu nkolera ggulu, naye okimanyi omusawo yambuuza ogenda ogamba abantu tozaala, naye ddala Bina
tozaala. Bina amata ayagala kwegatta bwegassi.
Gina omuntu yali akibuuzaako yali Fifiri Queen ye yambuuza Bina abasawo bawandiika ne bagamba tozaala. If
you want to, by the way, she hasn't tried, and she doesn't.
I just didn't want guys to disturb me.
No, she's like a virgin as we speak right now. So you can read between the lines what I mean. So you people who think otherwise, Zemba Sekerera, Nenga Baba, you don't know what you're talking about.
Banafa bagoya programs za Biva Organic, nze Dr. Senjobe na kukuka mbutonde kujanjabisa mmere, middo na bibala. Biva Organic tuli wano Mengo opposite Masengere ku Biva Organic House ne Hoima opposite Equity Bank. Olwanja kati twogere ku clove oil benefits ne clove tea benefits, mafuta ya kalafu oba gwe tuyita pirao masala nga bwolaba ku screen yawo. Fe ku Biva Organic tukolamu ka clove oil kano ne tukolamu n'amajani ga clove tea. Abantu abalina ekizibu ky'okuba nti owunya akamwa kakuyamba akadagala kano kayinamu eugenol medicinal component. Kayamba nnyo ku bantu abalina toothache ng'olumizibwa amannyo, tonyeza awali erinnya erikuluma oba senyesa akadagala kano ng'omaze otteekako toothpaste. Olwa eugenol benefits ze kayina ne nakyo anti-inflammatory kajja kuyambako nnyo kendeeza belly fats ate n'okuspeeding up bile production mu abalina high cholesterol levels. Nze Dr. Senjobe.
Omuntu akimalira akwata bukwasi
Mugambye ali busy n'alemerako. Bene namba yakonze ali busy.
Teri kintu kyantamanga message ng'olinze ya sente n'ogenda okulaba ne bakutera dudududu.
MTN simanyambu you've used mbu ne bakuleka bakugamba a weekly balina promotions binyiza.
Kati wulire
ate especially when you're expecting money. Kati you're asking me to give you research okuza otya. Notekako MBs ne bazijjako mangu, notekako MTN, airtime, engeri jaddukamu endless promotions. Kati bina bali bye facing.
Nao
mugambe byempita. Kati ye adigambe Nairobi na agambye network ambi. Tabatukoya.
Waliwo omulala gwe nakuwa n'onsesa.
Bannange gayi yakulemerako, gayi thank God yalekera okuba. Teri stalker. Bannange stalkers bakoya. I'm so glad yalekera onokukubira.
Tandanga kumpereza message obacha mpozi ngamaze kulaba binonera Rwanda damuna.
Bannange atuyambe takomawo.
Bambi bakoya.
Bakoya.
Ne bangamba nti waliyo wali wosobola okunyiga. Like there is something over 6 what hash, then you stop getting
muting and good notifications.
Notifications over SMS ne balekera ozikuwa naye mama.
Just katimaze SMS ezagonte basi muting damzileza katugamenga mobile money bichi ezo zijja, right? It's only their promotions. Ngena chikola.
Yeah.
Bakoya.
Manake.
So, this week, Bina last year, okay, confession, me I've never gone to Namugongo, which is a bad thing, but I've always loved the experience. Last year, Nzijukira Bina actually yagende Namugongo Radio 4 promotion.
Yeah.
See promotion, but it was Radio 4.
Outdoor broadcast.
Outdoor. Naye buli omu yamwewuunya naye nga njagala abandi bakomentinga ku social media nengamba no Bina yogumulaba just that abamu mumulaba kati ku social media, but even those days munange ye agenda eyo wansi eyo kati ng'ayambadde kisocks. I think what happened to kisocks? People were wondering. There was some.
I think the socks was some other time.
That was another time.
What really just surprising abantu kwe kubeera nga natuuka eri wansi nenjogera olutoolo amunenga abantu bakyalowooza kyakola ku spark nga bali eri, then waliyo n'okwenenya okwantiisa naye banaye bafaatha babeera eri ababeera bawuliriza okwenenya kw'abantu nga tusimba layini kati nebagenda n'obulira faatha ebintu kati nebuuza bemugamba nga mulimu okutta
naye ndoza basirikira ebyama naye nze kyendowooza ndoza faatha yesikamu naye gyabeera
naye nze bembeera mu bigere byabwe ningizaako bwe nabanga kizibu kyoleese nga kinene.
I don't think they are allowed to, like, because you're not supposed to judge. You have to listen.
Bina, you listen, but don't judge.
Listen, don't judge. Nechimanyi jukila father is also human. Ade nagamba katonda wange.
Kati bangamba sanga yakwenenya ne bagamba. Kutogenda kwenenya toyina bibi ne bagamba.
Toyina bibi. Hey, Bina, we see every day.
We see Gamba every second.
Every second, actually. Kwabagamba in your thoughts, you see.
So I went there. Nera abantu abasinga bakola businesses ezenjawulo.
Yes.
Then I saw the eating section here. Bere kola mu sente.
Abantu bali even drinking.
N'okunywa ye.
Banywa bali. In fact, chiba tutayembo abasinga, that's the part. Eating and drinking mostly.
Naye nga ate drinking ne eating eri outside the shrine, which is very good. Abantu abakola kati mulimu abamambi ababeera bazze okusaba, mulimu abalala. But I was happy. I got to buy for about, I think, 10 people obulega. Bras. Nice. Bras when we were there. And you know, like these people come, bagala kunaba, tebalina saboni, ne bakirireyo ne banaba. Ne bakubanze sala ba Mary, sabantu abalabalaba.
Ne kuno walabe bade bagamba mbu nakumpewo bankubidde leero ku macha mbu the sky mbu Mary yazze mbu sky yabadde ya color yellow oragize bunefuuka
nasubiddwa
bunefuuka blue mbu nembobuuza ku mpewo kitegeeza ki mbu Mary abazze okubasiima. Okay, I don't know how true that
smiling?
Is. Yeah, I don't even know. The sky was blue. I mean the sun.
But did you notice that ku TV mulimu abamu abatamulabye? I think yabadde azze for particular people.
Bana bananza bali holi.
Nedda abamu bamulabye nga bakuba engalo naye nga yakugamba wuuyo naye nga somulaba nga nange simulaba. So that's why yes. So, but I've seen for trying omukozi. That's why I keep telling people, nti omukozi ono ajje wammwe. Akukolera alina okubeera nga naye wa ddiini yammwe bakuba influencinga nnyo n'enneeyisa nayo nkulu ku house helper, because omukozi yatutwalanga twali ba protestant naye olowooza nga tugendayo eyo nga tugenda mu Abakatuliki yatukeera ku makya
nemutambula. You would walk?
Yes, our house helper nga tutwala ku makya. Then neteka tufuna kasooli, netufuna lumonde, oluusi amayuuni, netukeera ku makyawo twali tubeera Kyambogo Lower Estate. Tutandika okutrekinga nga batugamba nga njagala kubeera mugezi first mu class.
Ng'otambula.
Naye obuzibu nga n'amadda tuddamu ne tutambula nga batugamba tulamage, then we would go with a kadomola for water. Amazzi getunywa. But I'm glad that these days it's treated. Those days it wasn't.
You just drink, eh? Yeah, this is treated. Nice.
Yes, it is. This time it's treated.
Have you noticed, Bina, every time, guys, like, every time, like most cases, people are always stuck there. Transport. Something I don't understand. Okay, something I don't understand. But in a particular budget, but they say they always hike prices. When I agala kudayo kamwenge denga bamusaba mitwalo munana. nga gayi mukulukulu ali awo ngaali awo ali sitaaka bimusobedde nga tagiina kati ngobanga alinamu mmeka nagaba bongeza transport bagamba mitwalo 8 kati nnoonya bansonderako abampa ssente neŋŋamba and it always happens. I don't understand bajja nga there's a particular budget gye baliko oba bajja nga they expect to be given transport. I don't even know.
Nze kye nategeera kwebyo ebintu is that wabeerawo omuntu if you go to churches waliwo we basonda ssente naye at times the mistake people do batambudde bavudde wala mu kikoosi lwako babeena kutambula then ne bama ne baddayo kati bwe baddayo abamu babula abeera mu kyokugenda nga kyokutambulira ku bantu olaba ne bwe nali Trinity College enabbingo nga when we go nga mwenena mugenda ne gundi ne teacher ne mugenda okushopinga n'agamba ssente eri wano we are meeting at in 10 minutes time naye abalala what they do is they get carried away bakomawo ng'abantu bagenze dda.
Wow.
So that's where the other problem is. It's seeing
so bajira mu kirindi mukuddayo ne babula because abagala kulambula bichi they lose time.
Then also last time Babie nalaba omukyala yali ava Nebbi nga last year bamubba ssente n'omukadde nga bamubba kati nno kye yakola nga ssente aziterese mu kaleega
kuno bwe yakomyewe bwe yakomawo nateka I know right
naye akaleega ako kateeka mu ssente amabeere
tokimanyi olaba bateeka mu nnika
muzinga ya mwami
neddayo omukazi ogiteeka wano bwoti
nga money is very dirty.
Tebaagala mmanya nga akasente koli akakoledde akazinga bulungi n'akateeka mu kaveera bwe baŋŋamba ng'ogenda mu crowds ezo nga waliwo balina bulega nga buli luusi nga teyeesiga kaleega kati naakwata mbu nateeka ku mpale wano wati mpale nga Mothers Union nga manye mukutte bulungi so waba atambula bakwatako bwati namanya akaveera akakyaliwo nga basala ensawo. I'm telling you. So I'm bateka mukaleega mbu wano bwe bati.
Bami bamubbye luggage namulabye ku TV.
Kibana.
Nga bamubbye kyokka nga babba bakadde. N'agamba byada agenze kunaaba n'agamba banne bamukuumireko.
Yagenze okudanga ensawo yeteriyo.
N'emigugu mingi. Nze ndowooza omuntu yandizoba ne bakone boba otambula okuva ewala you're exercising that body. Yes Katonda. Jali nera ayamba. Tekwalaba bwe yayamba I came with the foot. I came on foot. Yamuyamba. Waliwo n'omulala yagambye yali ali mulwadde n'amala n'awona. N'ekisinziira ku kukkiriza ko.
I think so, your faith. Waliwo ne yagambye mbu yavudde mu kyalo balabe kaviiri ke bamulabye nga bakalabe ku TV. Kabula soke. Namugamba nasibye akaviiri kange kapya nenzije ne Kampala. Balaba kabiri kaga ku TV ne bagamba
abakasibye bulungi kasinga be Kampala
sakalabye bulungi neze
dodo wasibye enviiri
abudankola bati nga tonda bati bula kati gwe singa tubadde mu relationship singa na katawo singa na kugobye dda
dodo wasibye.
That is the first thing you're supposed to be noticing. Me I noticed that today otaddeko lip balm ku mimwa ne ngamba Paxi yakugambye akumotivate nzoteka ko lip balm you rarely put lip balm ku mumwa kati obudankola bwetsi
kandabe
mama so now if you are my man those are small things.
Imagine
so your lips are glossy.
I think because of your local lip gloss.
See, I've never given you lip.
Me being around you of late I'm beginning to
gawe. Lip balm nenga sigena kugamba until you say something about my hair. Nengamba na mama.
Babie, yeah.
Nengamba
you change your
no
hair.
wonder.
So
I understand why sometimes chitulu bangenze nentula for 5 hours. I'm thinking someone is going to notice and you don't notice.
Chinduma. Did Pax notice?
Pax is nonchalant. Your Pax na muvaako. Yali kwadeko kuhaga. Yogera amazima. Thank you so much.
Neja kumpa ngayagala akantu. Olaba akasupe yabada yagala akantu namba haga.
Mupaksa jabu haga.
Ogenda kwagala akantu wano ugambe.
Tisoko mpe haga. Simanyi na mmanya.
Okateke ku gundi nabando boyekoza ku TikTok yo.
Nalabe batadde akakasuku nga. Notice when she recorded that beat. Nga
eyamabere
eyamabere yabadde ku endi nabadde manyi mweri wano nga mukyategeka obutebe nabulabye nga kukwa kunosaba kukuki haga
kuku nakkiriza
bwe yamaze obutebe ng'ategeka n'agamba bannange kita kitambula bwe kiti obutebe n'ogamba badde nsuubira okusanga obutebe nga buli ready n'agamba n'ombuuza akadodo ke kano naga akadodo ke kano abayaaye
gamba nane ndi ku setting oze ne ngamba dodo nangamba gwe tuli wano badodo wazze
akasebe yakamabere kazisezza abantu nali sebe kino Bina yakwatira ddala ebbeere yali kutte bw'ati
gwatandika ebintu
ati yali agamba osimanya biki byenkana nagamba not everything buli kimu tekyenkana mu nsi
yalina mu new vision
bede tebyenkana n'eriso bagamba erimu ddene eddala ttono bbeere ddene ttono like hip nene ttono n'okugulu okumu kuwanvu kulala kumpi mu kko me they told us
even the size
everyone
nekigere olaba nekigere
trust me
kati like me njakuba nina kigere kiwanvu ne bwe mba mpima
I'm serious kubeerako
pimisa side emu
but even packs you know your things I can't go there one side is taller bigger another one is smaller
which things
the eggs one is bigger another one is smaller
naye kati gwatalina balls
gwategereza myayisi wamasibitu
kituufu
wama tugambe right kati oli mulema alinga Bina waki temwekebera wansi akugambye professor left side is small right side nene I'm serious pay attention
but also the other things one side is long another one remember the other things emiguwa one side is long
nakyo kituufu alaba badde ngenda kumpakanya badde ngenda gaba professor jaba nnyonnyole I'm serious. Bina, I've seen that.
I think the person again and they don't excite. You even have time to notice.
I need to explore. Professor, would you advise someone ngamugena in that love making not to explore your body? Like, would you just go and form because for you close your eyes, go nogama mbosete
I'm enjoying. Attention.
Ngazirise. Thank you. Hey.
What you saying?
I love your body ngwadde onimba.
Banana. We are talking about
enyinda agiwane.
Ensigo. Dodo
kati olaba ekigere.
Olaba ategedde. Anisika kigere is understandable. Nebere is naye ensigo z'omusajja atazirina yandingambye biri ebirala.
Abakubuuza tokyetegerezanga Bina.
Ayina nedda nina love. Anisiko myayisi zonna when I feel zonna zenkana. Naye gwe maama engeri gy'olaba mbu kano kampi kano kato.
Ne professor akugambye thank God.
Anti oliye mwami naye gwe omuwala. Wakigwa nibadde ongamba emiguwa.
No, I pay attention.
Emiguwa gye wandingambye dodo.
You cannot make love to me nga sikwetegereza number one.
First of all, even those things are painful. So that means even the person gets.
Cheka kati painful mbangenda kasika.
Gwategero kyanti kampi.
You talk to it, you massage it. They even tell you massage it. Bina taina love. Ejirimu webale bagamba n'okukebera ama n'omugamba amagi wano amasipamuzi zigira muno otono ono omusajja gwewebaka naye Bina
dodo
olaba professor yangamba Bina yatugamba wano yali tamanyi mbuno even the balls mbuno ziriko a bit of hair namutya
lwakuba nera ndabaza abaana bato ngamba naaza does it have hair
naye Bina
and do you people shave
it's not supposed to it's not a lot it's a little
dodo why do you
Bina webaka ne baani abo gwe tewetegereza bugenda kwebaka nga professor
wa sina body count sina body
wewu thank you nange chokka okitegedde otya
nera saagala ttaala
abagamba jjako ettaala
Mera lwaki ateekako ettaala naze kulaba
abagamba jacket
sendindabirwamu waki aneetegereza abamu ne tulina enkovu zaffe
osanga zezimu stimulating fetish kakisobe wano webale nga
the best thing is to feel me, then you get to know.
ng'akyamuka
Nera bwe nyigira abeera ndaba
n'agamba mbono naye abasajja nga bagira kumbe you're the reason
anti andaba then nemanyi tujjako ettaala nitweyongerayo n'ebirala
lwaki ajjako ettaala
tasobola
wamadi bukadoonya wano fetish
anti kati olina kuzibiriza then nolyoka okuba ekifaananyi bina
wama buli musajja different wano bakugamba fetish bina according professor nga bwatugamba is a form of sexual desire in which gratification is strongly linked to a particular object or activity or a part of the body other than the sexual organs.
ng'avudde
mutoyi n'agamba nkwegayiridde so nga byayagala nga towagamba nantumo yagamba waliwo yamukuya nga mugamba nga tonaaba nga ye waafuna desire nga you too clean for him nga takwagala ng'oli akwagala tosenyezza akawunyawunya ke kalisa ettooke bina n'ogamba leeta wano omumwa nga sisenyezza nenzija n'entuuyo zange zonna zonna n'ogamba bebi
nedda tojjanga wano nga tonaabye lwakuba nze nja babuulira
nedda kugamba ng'omusajja byayagala ng'ayagala entuuyo zange ezo zonna nga he loves that bread ensiibyemu nga he loves the nika gyesiibyemu
encouraging n'abakazi obutanaaba then.
No, it depends on the man you have got. Kazi byayagala. Webale. Gobera donoga. Yamwagala kochi nga awunya akamwa nga ye. Ke kamukolera. Was and fine. Bebo. Nga they are soulmates like to that. Oli naafa naye twaka myezi ebirala oli naafa kalaba
kakubise mbonana nga tebanaabye banenze omuntu atanaaba akola si bulungi
anti everyone is different kati waliwo nga bwagambye ng'oli ng'okomawo ng'agamba mpaka paleko ng'akawunyako nga bafuna obwagazi nemutandikiraawo
akuba naye agenda kutandika naye okuŋŋamba naye mpaka bwaleke nkawunyeko
ayenda n'agenda
kati kasigale nga ndi singo
asigala bamugambye asigale mu bansanvu kuku tamanyira gwamuleke byamisi nga tobimanyi banuuna ebigere okulya enkyakya goddaawo n'agamba ekigere kirete nga bwe kiri. What crazy thing have you done, Bina?
But with clean people. I don't want.
You don't even pay attention to their bodies, Bina.
Nera bwe tutuuka bwe tuti olina genda mu kinaabiro n'onaaba. Nera baaleka dda kati mpulira ogw'omulabawo
kati guma tuweze body count wano.
Sisobola kuweza.
Okay, do you go down on your knees and whatever the microphone? What you are doing crazy. Angabazo okunaaba. To go down.
Tumebe bali bayimbako ba go down low. Go down low.
So Bina, you've never appreciated a guy's sugar cane? Microphone?
I have.
And
even talk to it. But I've
has never appreciated your visiting the bush.
They have never appreciated?
What?
Visiting the bush?
Who has visited the bush? naye tunaagenda mu ggulu. Zonna emudeke mugenda kunnimbisa ate
byakoze mulamu.
banne
Since the moment.
nina ebibi byange bingi naye kati mwagala nnimbe ne ku kamera.
Tocho. Webale. Webale. Nyogerako ekituufu ekimu. Sina nagaseka.
But anyway, I didn't know that boys are hairy.
They have a little bit of not so much. Little.
Because
ng'omutunta nga bwakugambye nga balaba omutunta guno like yeah.
Sorange Women Syrup eddagala erikakkanya obulumi mu nsonga z'abakyala oba ziyite cramps. Lisange mu pharmacies, drug shops oba supermarkets. Lino lyakakasibwa National Drug Authority.
So me, I'm very, very attentive.
So what
and very critical. Yeah, and you play around with them gently.
don't I
Sing,
like
don't
cool
squeeze.
down over?
Squeeze.
What do I do? You tickle them.
Do you know there are men who now I think I've understood. There are men who said, you know, they love BJs, but waliwo abakazi abaluma nga tebamanyi how to do it. Kati kira kabina y'omu akwata nateekako n'amannyo omusajja n'awira ng'afanaga bannange
Nga lwaki tayogera?
tasobola kwogera ne
So, are these things soft or they are hard?
You've never
Nazabana.
touched them.
Nazabana.
So when you were holding that microphone, what did you do? Omusajja tewamutuga butuzi Bina.
You did like this. I said,
Ndowooza yakwata bukwasi, ndowooza yakwata bw'ati.
Let me find.
Kyenjagala okumanya Bina
So
onnemye.
are they soft? Are they soft? Are they hard? Do they?
Bina, when you are nze njagala so kunyinyonnyole wali
My
okwata
homework naye
microphone
ono
wako.
ku.
Ku microphone wakola otya Bina.
Sisikola microphone.
Otugambye wano wagezaako.
Nagezaako ewa. Microphone manyi za radio.
Okay, kale. Penis, njogedde. You've never done a BJ? Bakunoonyeza ab'ensanvu tetugenda kusobola Bina. N'ab'ensanvu bamunoonyeza ab'ekyenda kubanga kino sikiraba.
Nze munyumize nno musooke mumbuulire.
Era bannange ngenda mu kyalo nfuneyo munnakyalo ono bannange. Lord, what have you done? Crazy thing have you done?
No, first tell me, are they soft?
Switch off the lights and close my eyes. Oh,
And feel and get
I'm
to feel.
feeling.
But I've never felt down there, but now. No, but seriously, so what happens?
do you make any noises? There's a man who was complaining on social media. Do you make noises, Kale? No,
I
yambo
don't know.
musajja.
Nze mbeera ndi mu
You don't know what you
bibe.
do.
No, I don't know. I don't know what I do. I don't know whether I rush mubabuuza beta.
I swear I never saw him sing to make love.
So,
But Bina,
nze wali ku balls. Are they like soft like for the babies?
huh?
Are they soft?
Have you ever climaxed?
Okay, Max is orgasm.
Yes, orgasm. Never orgasm.
Yes. Olaba n'ebigundi biki.
So when you're doing it with someone, do you have hard things? You know, starting on you or
You don't hear anything.
Why hear hard things? What
Anything.
hard things are those?
Slapping on you.
What are those?
what's your skin?
And so Bakuwaru's. Do you hear anything rubbing on
Hey,
you?
so you mean when they penetrate, the things have to hit? I thought they were very low down.
No.
You mean they hit?
They're supposed to.
So the noise that we I thought it's the bat.
Snapping noise is different from what we're talking about.
We're not talking about this.
Don't they feel pain? Alero banaye munina kamunsekerere.
Nze ndi mu shock. Ne professor bimuweddeko kandi nange bimpweddeko sina nawe ntandikira.
So what's your experience? Why?
In that position, look, honestly, I've even had fun.
Yes, I have. At least I remember having fun. I remember enjoying. I remember.
That's a good question. Do you have feelings, Bina?
I do have.
What stimulates your feelings?
People are watching. I'll tell you off air. If you promise to hug me.
Stimulating feelings now, like for me, I think Bibino atandika different. Like now, me with kissing, I start like to pay attention to you. That's why me, if I can't kiss you, I don't pay attention to you. Then what over Linga ears, the hair. Now as for Bina, we don't know where the feelings are. So come out to Sassi.
No, mani, but it depends. Then it depends.
Depends on what.
It depends. I think my butt is sensitive.
Your butt is sensitive?
Yeah, because one day owagundi waliwo yankuba akabina owagundi
no sanyalala bwoti
nenkyuka ne mukuba oluyi owa conductor nawulira bulira kuba yetalina kakwata yeeyo sensitivity gye mwogerako.
Okay, so bwe yakukuba n'osanyalala wena n'owulira nga kyekyo naye n'onyiiga n'okuba.
It's different. At times it's kissing, at times it's the whispering in the ear, at times it's the suck on the neck, at times it's the butt, the way they press it. Like it's so much better. At times it could be the boob. Maybe the only thing that would make me wild, I think it's that.
The butt.
Not the butt, they all do. Actually too much. That's why I don't do it. Because sagala abantu bantwala mubire nga sikyategeera nnyo. Nze yange njiweeramu amateeka. Ninga natume yange y'amateeka. Bannaye.
Ne packs bimweddeko nange nkyabi processinga wano.
Because when I get there, I have fun. I enjoy.
So you don't
By the way, we're even told to be selfish. I don't care about me. I'm selfish as long as I've enjoyed.
You are just saying that's not fun. They tell us it's better to be unsatisfied human than being a satisfied pig.
Bina is a satisfied pig.
Unsatisfied human.
It's better to be.
Kati ze gwe mumubuuza ebirwadde temubuuza balina body count ennyingi
nga yo matibu mukwano gwa Bina
maama nga nnyumirwa.
What do you do during those? Literally, you don't know that anything.
You don't
know. I know.
I'm even feeling sorry for those guys. I'm like, Banag.
Which guys?
The ones that tried. I'm like, did they enjoy? Did they? Muba exagaba ono bambi salim.
Asandera batono. Badiza ku balance. Bagambe bambi. Kati wosanga omuntu omubisi you teach. Alice call the first one taught me nanjigiriza. Oshegera. Kati there are certain things nze siri malaika. You need to let me know. Nti not kino kyetaagisa okukolebwa. Oshegera. You talk to me and say, wow.
But you're not willing to do what you're supposed to.
Have I been told to do it and I refuse?
So do you need to be taught how to?
Yes, if that's what he wants, I can do it. No, I'm not.
Thank you. Thank you.
Basajja basatu.
You're selfish. You're selfish. Era ndoza bannange naye muka.
Kati basaasidire wano ku screen
basasiri bannange nga mwayita mu kizibu. Bannange ta.
Bana bugo.
Ngale mwabona kwa sikirabanga. Naye muka.
Choka, anyway, I'm going to go, I think. So what happens? They're going to teach me. These men are different.
Ngabagame, they're different. That's why you have to know your partner. But there are things that you don't even teach.
But there are things that are genuine.
They are general, they are basic things.
The basic ones just flow. Ebintu ebyo Katonda yabitonda nga mu flowing, you flow with the rhythm. Then how come bomba mwogera ebyo and how come I enjoy? Ngibyo nene ebyo mwogera ebimu byesitakola nga enjoy.
You enjoy how? Listening.
It's just because of naivety. You are enjoying because you are discovering
No.
new things.
New things.
Naive.
So kyogamba ndi naive.
You're no naive. Ay. Bamukwata process by process. Bina tuleke mbanange. I am alarmed.
No, but anyway. But me what I ola nga goni nga Irene Kayemba bwe yatugamba, it's bino ebintu biri mu formula dodo. We need to ekyakola kuoje sobola kukola kwali current.
Abantu bekonso.
So if you don't tell me, then I can't know, because the me I'll explain, I'll even express it. You wanna what? So nawe ngamba ebintu biteka mu communication. Spoke as I was a person.
If consoling someone themselves is a person, we consoling
bubi.
Bakalya. Ate banange pakisa awonye ngali mbadde njagala mugwa akole ate nyabadde ngenda kugwa konkole bwent.
Waliwo ne yangamba
nkole bwent hyper.
Can you imagine? Why I'm wearing a jean today? Somebody told me I don't look good in a jean.
If I don't fall on your man, chikulumira wa. Me I'll be falling on the man. Ate muwonye nga guest ajja leero muwala. Mbadde ninze mulenzi musajja mukole bwent. Hi.
Dodo, why don't look good in a jean?
We don't look good in a jean.
Nali mu jumpsuit ya black oli nalyoka posting awali. You don't look good in. Stop wearing jeans. You don't look good in jeans. How many times do I wear jeans, Dodo? So you don't get the name jukira nengamba kanjijeyo.
Really?
Nambale. Yeah, rarely. Singa gambe you don't look good in short clothes.
Anenugu.
Nade nekira kyenalabye kuba n'abantu banaye abantu mwegendereze. There is somebody gwensisinkanye wano kuyaya.
Kuyaya? Wano wetuli?
Nangamba naye abantu abakuvuma. You know, like do you know these funds that we have, nti omuntu ayinza okukola omuntu omulala ekibi. Waliwo omuntu gwe batya ddala ng'oli sibe bamussebe yali ayogera kune nga bafaani.
Nga faani oli nga yanyiiga nga because akwagala nnyo.
Nanyiiga. Abalamu naye olaba muntu n'ogamba ono kiyenje kamumanyire naye ogenda okulaba.
Nenze kinewunyisa.
Emundu ziri mabega we.
Ekinewunyisa. Like those that keep attacking, bali mu private accounts, bali miserable tebana chebayina,
yes,
bali depressed, depressed. Katike wano went. Etusewa? Enalabikira mu gundi. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, abadde anoonya kagonde.
Kagonde kuteeka.
No,
it's okay.
It's very...
Fax ajja kugira. No, it's fine. Ajja kugira. Bakuyambeko? Okay. Wananasobola okujjambako.
Let's check that forest. Say forest enzirikiza masaka. Liyo tetwagenda omusajja n'atufeera nga yali ayagala kutulaba bulabi.
Ate alaba YouTube. Musajja gwe wali oyagala kyodagala kuzina buzinyiko naffe, kutuwa mmereyo, kutuwa tulye ku mbizi. What was your goal? Ate thank God twakusaba transport before we actually moved.
That's what I'm saying. Those that want to see us, we need to start charging them.
Ate something you have to know bannange. I don't know why people think that, let me say if Bina akoledde ba clients bangi, but that doesn't mean that they are friends.
No. Ibanange. Hey.
He's not friends with any. I keep saying.
When I talk about that,
I keep saying comments. But you people, if someone gives you business, you be friends. I'm like,
we aren't
friends.
Banaye ba clients abali eyo. When you give me business, bambi tweyanziza. Na eyo, me I have one friend.
We are not friends. Umanyi mwenchije nekirala Bina, like nakafuna messages like from different people nga bagala mbu kumba business nga they are men. Naye kati ye nga ayagala mbu we first be friends. And I'm like, no. It's business.
Ekintu ekyo mune.
Friendship is different.
Totally different. Munaye balina kireeta. Bale abantu munaye bakusobera. Abantu bakusobera.
But you were friends. I'm like, when?
Olaba katinga ne Pax ageze n'ambuuza tamanyi manya gaba colleagues bo. Why would I know
even
them?
that, by the way?
I can know those abayingirawo before me. N'abaddako. Kati nze ngende nga noonya n'akola ku weekend. Lwakuba mukozi mundange. Yes, there is even somebody else, Annie. There's even a time, at one time, bakola simaya bine bya party. You remember when I was still at Dembe now?
Ne bakola party
Parties. Ne bagenda mu discotheque. Nze omuntu sizigenda mu biduula. Naye okimanyi nti nga tutuuka wale nga bagamba mwena you're supposed to come mwena ne mbagamba sibeera mu biduula. Then ogenda okulaba omuntu akuweereza message mpaayo ku ssente. Siri mukwano go, we are just colleagues.
We are colleagues. And being colleagues, even though we are colleagues, that doesn't mean that we are supposed to even say hello.
No. And then
do your thing, I do my thing.
If we are colleagues, there is even a colleague who wanted to visit our home.
Free. I think I remember that one.
You remember?
Yeah, Kazano. You want to see Bina's home?
How?
When? Where? They are not. There are boundaries.
You remember when I had an operation and then they were saying, to get to Charlie Bina, what Bina?
I know. Nafuna phone calls ezo ngamfeso ko nembagamba naye gamugamba mumanyi nembaga kati nze mbatwaleyo naga asisobola mpozi nga yakiriza
era but nembera basimululira embwa because ogenda kola ekibuya
like there should be professionalism. If it's work, it's work.
Guys, there
should be a
boundary. Watch simu
yes.
To find out Bana Bina, we're trying to check on Bina baby. How is she?
Yes. Exactly. We can have a chit chat, casual talk, which is okay. Chatting, but that doesn't mean we are friends. I'm talking to you.
Nyinza ogenda ku church.
Yes.
Nyinza okusaasira ku simu. Nyinza okuweereza amabugo. It does not mean tiboba ntingende ku church ate simanya ngende. It depends on our relationship. Maybe we are close maybe ku mulimu. I don't expect abane balowooza nti bwe banjula I'm supposed to be there. There is a company I work for. Oli n'atuvugisa mpaka kayunga nga n'omuntu soogera naye we are colleagues.
I remember.
Bana kumbaga nagana nagamba anyway Bina etwakusomyeza nengamba ono
yagenda kukwanjula kudenga tayogera na muntu
order buli omu ogenda kukwanjula era buli omu yewuunya Bina atagenda kukwanjula nengamba out of respect
let me just go
siryerabira katwagenda okulaba ate embaga ate mbu contribution contributing, you don't want to go sayagala naye.
Wesagala. Like it doesn't mean that I don't wish you well. By the way, I wish you well in your marriage and I want you to be happy. I want you to even smile. But I don't see you that way. You know, like nga this person, you're not you mubera mo meeting. Nemugamba bugambi hi and then that's it. Nemugenda ku event nebagamba interview nemukola ekyo throughout the week temwesisinkana oshegera like tewabera na simu ekubira or even to check on you oba n'okumanya ne namba yange esimu tagirina webale
and then for you n'ongamba otoye order fenna tulina ogenda ate nga si kumpi
wala kayunge ngonvusiza amafuta. I don't even talk to that person. I don't care about the person. I don't care whether the person is happy.
But anyway, what I realized is that after that, the person started growing closer. Maybe it also helps more companies ezenjawulo.
No, but then
nemusonde ebintu nemusonderako gundi.
But then Bina, you also have to watch this. Like there's someone who comes closer to you nga naye ayina agendas, so you have to be careful who you bring closer still. Waliwo linga janga ina agenda ye nga ina chachimye nga she's trying to, you know, she might even do something to you because I remember someone waliwo lingo laba akwa attitude very weird
Ochegera.
And then all of a sudden you're being nice. I'm like, yeah. Being nice.
But ekirala nze kye ndowooza I think these things bino okuziikirako abantu contributingirako abantu okukala okusonda amabugo naye amabugo abo abantu bategeera nti fe tugawaddeyo oba oli agenda neyerimbika tamuwa kipapula
abamu babba naye ayiya mbu galimu ebisiraani galina otutuuka mbu galina waliwo abakazi abatubo nga tebatya ddenja nga ye tajja ziwandikayo zonna waliwo gwe nawirako eyali amabugo gonagona teyagatuusa ku mulimu lumu
naye amabugo gawa ebisiraani tuba gakolamu business yes naye nga those things I think they help oba dodo
to do what
like those like the bonding where you visit nemu visiting abalwadde like a sick gundi okimanyi nti waliwo ku mulimu omuntu agenda n'alwala ne mutamanya nti yalwadde n'akomawo nogamba hayi ubaddewa nagamba naye nalwala nga tomanyi nti yalwala n'okumala omwezi otegeera akomyewo.
That is a Bina. I prefer boundaries. I'll stick to that. I prefer boundaries. I rather be with someone ngali close to me, one person, than having with a million people or 2 people, 3 people close to me. Katugambe pazewa kasiti buli mazewa kata akwagaliza piragena kudda adeyo agiye agambe bannange olaba agambe bannange
unless if we are
Bina yemulabira wano naye nga yeepa ngami singa olaba gy'abeera
ebyo sandi bifuddeko because n'abantu abasinga kasita olaba gye babeera nabo tebabeera nga bwe balabika kungulu abamu bafuluma nga n'ebitanda tebabyaze
mukama abamu basula n'ebiku
olaba ne paks naye asese
basula n'ebiku nga
abalala
bale bafuka ku buliri n'aleka omufalisa agwanise
n'abayanga bano kungulu fulaba bayonjo yekuba perfume naye nga bw'atuuka eka nga it's a different story naye kati ekyo
kyobala nze saagala ojje wange njagala oassuminge oleme kugeya byolabye assume olowooze nti sula mukazigo it's okay that's why I don't flaunt where I stay njagala oassuminge
kati kuno okufiirwa kuno nabondoza twandibagobye natubeera n'omulambo gwaffe
by the way also the walu neyakyogedde wali oba who was saying nagaba by the way I rather be
oba tususe
no but me I rather prefer being with few people
lwatu kisusiza because abasinga babeera bazze kulya babeera tebazze kusuulirako omugundi
I think woba oyina obawa ne balya but if you don't have it keep it
and I
keep
hope
the circle closed
if I do that you don't expect me to come to your place
if you do what
bwe mujja nga nera mugenda nga nera bwe mujja ewaffe kale nga nera nange nina okubeera nga nange
era bwenzija you have to turn the favor anti kyekyo kati
wakiri mpayo sente
kyekugamba anti kati awajja kwetikka the moment bwe yeesitula aba amanyi you're supposed to return the favor kati atagendedde ddala osinga nze that's why by the way I don't go sikwepanga but I don't attend kwanjulas I don't attend mbagas
nera nange I rarely do
byannema the only thing I do is to send the contribution ate gyensobola sikunkaka kunkungamba sigiteeka waawo gyensobodde nkuweereza nga ndaba close nga nnaku zituuse kukubira nengamba hey nsobodde zino nenzikuweereza nengamba have fun I don't attend weddings I don't attend kwanjula byannema
nze kino ekyo kinkyabula obwongo like people to think nti omuntu bw'abeera colleague abeera mukwanoko
ekintu ekyo nange kinsobera bakale baali bamikwa if I say hi to you doesn't mean that bali bamikwano bwebanga nali tukola fena netwesanga mu kantini tuli mukulya netutula ku meza fena nga coincidentally most times twesanga tutuddawo netunyumya ebiboozi noyogera ebintu byo nze omuntu doesn't mean that we are friends gwe wayogera bintu byo nze sayogera byange we are not friends almost an hour okay so that sayogera gundi what's up
go ahead
we wrap up yeah
we wrap up
what
and how many minutes of wrapping
40
naye mutyaba naye kakwica mutyaba akasuku
Anti woman agame 45 minutes, agame 45. I think that she was there. Okay, as we are almost wrapping up, like, yeah, me, I still insist. If we are working together, that doesn't mean that we are friends.
Yes.
We are colleagues.
We are colleagues.
If you give me business, Banang, I respect you. I salute you. I want your business to flourish. Thank you for giving me money.
Yes, that's true.
Maybe we had like a moment together. We had to, there was some bit of chit-chatting, chit-chatting as in casual talk. Chit-chatting, yeah. Now, yeah, that doesn't mean that we are friends. So if we part ways, just know you know me as Bina, as Dodo, and I know you as my former boss who gave me work over a gig, and I will always appreciate that, and respect that.
And you say hello when we pass.
Yes, but not should they assume we hold a special place in my heart.
No. Thank you
so much. I don't even want to know what is happening in your life. I don't care. I don't care whether you've bought a new car. I don't care whether you've gotten many businesses. I thank God that you're flourishing. By the way, I am so happy for you. I don't care. That is your life. Nange na life yange je.
Ogeza ku business. Bagaye bagera nko kulondola business.
Bagera kulondola business.
Business yoli omuntu. Some people got concerned. You know why? Because yagenze nayogera ku bantu nga yogera omuntu n'atabikaji.
Yayogedde ku kyejjini.
Kati abantu abamu bambi nga they are struggling abali mu bufumbo.
You cannot tell me.
Nga tebazaala. So someone was like, omanyi
asasula
emisolo
waliwo kyenalabye negamba
mulabanga bigootanye mumanye abeere ng'ali careful.
I think waliwo abantu nga waliwo omuntu agamba obwongo mulimu obuugi nga you think oyinza okoza oli mugezi naye nga toli mugezi. You cannot utter out some funny words. You're blessed. Thank God for the blessing. Webaze Katonda yaku blessing, but you cannot start. I'm being honest with you. I don't entertain them. I look at them as evil people. You cannot start speaking sarcastically, and then you talk about an egg. No, you get another funny, stupid statement of Mbosmanyambo kati bagena kuba basajja ba downloading bagena downloading abana.
What is going on? Like somebody got concerned and they are struggling.
Downloading kids.
They're struggling with kids.
And you're talking about laying eggs. What is that? I expect someone a customer or kogera such statements. Me, I was alarmed.
So much in
no wonder.
And you don't even listen to her English.
No, I don't pay attention to her.
Okay, go to wali nze mumanyi nange kikyali bena mtuuka kore nategeera naye nga nali njagala nnyo omuntu engeri gye yali akola gye yeejjayo.
So when I saw those things,
like narwana to be on this level, aye natuuka ate n'asigalamu ak'obukyalo.
If you ever elevate me, I am begging you. N'amagezi gampeeremu nkwegayiridde. Yes, nkasaba nnyo Mukama ompa amagezi ago. Nejjukire, then njukire ne manye my self worth and my self respect. Like when kirabye ekyo, I closed.
No, but people bambi got concerned.
Oh my God.
So
Bina.
someone was like, no, it's too much.
Nengamba me, never. I was like, no. Positive energy. I love myself. Doreen loves herself. This
Dodo, my shemba denjegezako kugamba. Njulaba that thing is so light. It's just a sentence and it can pass. The people who are struggling more and they're trying to conceive and others are not happy. Katnebala bagwenga wewana.
But do you know that sometimes you do things nga begenda kukosa baana bo.
Ebibera bigenda bakosa.
You never know.
Nale nekirala, like omuntu bwatyo abantu abasinga abantu like abali ku social media nzijagala mbagambe is okubeera nga bw'otunuulira omuntu tomala gavuma. Oyinza omulaba nga afaanana bubi oba nga akufaananira bulala naye tomanya abamwetole n'ekyoyogerako kiyinza okuba nga naye kimukosa. Ogenda okulaba nga batandika okulondoola more business, then you start losing millions of money because you wanted likes. I think and likes and following. Go tozifuna muna cent.
You're mocking people. You're mocking people. At the end of the day, you're the one looking funny. By the way, at the end of the day, nalabyo omuntu ngali funny. I don't know.
Anyway, kati nze kyemubirako, making sure nti empapula zeza revenue babagenda mulondoola kagere paka, so I know making sure kamubuulire ekyo for the times bali nange, so kamubuulire ekyo bagenda tandika okulondoola business yo, so making sure nti oli mu check bulungi. Ebyenjagala nkugambe
anekirala mbadde
ate sinze, so bw'olaba nti otandise okufuna obuzibuzibu sibiriimu. Remember, some of us have funds. Mulimu abantu abamu nga muna they are going through the same situation or even worse. Naye okimanyi nti ndigenda mu ggulu nkolera ggulu, naye okimanyi omusawo yambuuza ogenda ogamba abantu tozaala, naye ddala Bina
tozaala. Bina amata ayagala kwegatta bwegasi.
Gina omuntu yali akibuuzaako yali Fifiri Queen ye yambuuza Bina abasawo bawandiika ne bagamba tozaala. In actual sense,
Bina can, if she wants to, by the way. She hasn't tried. No. And she doesn't.
I just didn't want guys to disturb me.
No, she's like a virgin as we speak right now. So you can read between the lines what I mean. So you people who think otherwise, Zemba Sekereda, Nenga Baba, you don't know what you're talking about. So anyway, as we wrap it up, but then Kusaba, my darling, but then Kusaba, keep with the mocking. Keep with a sarcastic talk. Yeah, money, I don't care. Keep with a sarcastic talk.
They will close Bambi.
I don't care.
Business.
Keep with a sarcastic talk, and please keep provoking in a very subtle way. And please keep flaunting your love life. Keep flaunting your marriage. Keep flaunting your hobby. Keep flaunting your beauty. Put on your mirror. Oh, I have fun, my darling. Every time I see, I'm like, oh, little calculated. Oh, little can you get there? Honey, I am having fun.
I saw my picture, but I didn't know whether she was talking about me. People are fighting my words. All I'm saying is enjoy your sarcastic talk, Bambi, and keep the smile. You understand? Eh? And keep looking good, and keep flaunting the mwami, keep flaunting the things, the properties, the money. You are motivating us, baby girl. Oh, you are. Keep flaunting, baby. Keep flaunting. Woo, I have fun. Come around. Baby girl, flaunt. Keep flaunting. Oh, you happily married. Flaunt, baby girl. Keep flaunting. Oh, you have a man. Oh, flaunt your man, baby girl. You're rich. Oh, you have a ring. Flaunt that ring, baby girl. You have a man. Flaunt the man. You have kids. Flaunt the kids, baby girl. You have businesses. Flaunt them businesses. Do you have money? Flaunt the money. Life is too short, baby girl. We learn from you, honey. You inspire us, okay? Neyogera konze kaba nange webaka gatoka kutuse kambale I'm talking about myself. I'm just inspiring a girl out there, like whatever you have, flaunt what you have. You flaunt. If you have big nyash, flaunt the big nyash. If you have a big I'm inspiring girls. You're goal. If you have bitumbwe, flaunt the bitumbwe. If you have that color, flaunt it. Flaunt the hair. Flaunt it. Flaunting the color ya filter. The simani bya mwogerako nvuddewo wano. Kibeera kizibu. Olwana ali mu interviewing n'agamba Bina gwe gwosobola ebiri gundi ffe tubeera mu filter. Kati ajja akafaananyi nga tali mu filter. Bannange taxi! Naye Bina eba kuyiza obutaago.